All right, so on this one, we are actually asked to graph two linear inequalities with two variables. So it's a little more difficult, but you've graphed stuff like this as long as you did the lesson from yesterday. So I will go a little fast on this graphing part and just talk about the important new stuff. So we're going to start with, so it says, let's read the problem. Graph x plus y is greater than 2. And 2x minus y is greater than or equal to -5 on the third coordinate plane. Now your problem asked you to do it separately and then put them together on the third. I'm going to do it all in one. Just you can split it up. It's the same process. So I'm going to start with this x plus y is greater than 2. So to do this, let's see. Remember, all you need to do here is you can graph it. The first one we're going to graph by intercepts, okay? So what I can do, graphing in standard form, if I plug 0 in for that x, that x goes away, and I have y is greater than 2. So I know my y-intercept is going to be at 2. Now, if I plug 0 in for y, I get x is greater than 2. So now my x-intercept is also going to be at 2. And then I just need to connect these dots with a dotted line since I am just greater than. That tells me just dotted line. And let's see, we are greater than that line, so I'm going to shade above like such. Now, for the second one, I'm going to write this over on the right-hand side of your screen. I'm actually going to solve this one to get it into slope-intercept form. It's just another way to graph. And the reason I'm doing this is because I have a negative sign in front of the y. Anytime I do that, it's easier to do it this way for linear inequalities. So I'm going to subtract 2x. Subtract 2x. So this is just converting from standard form to slope-intercept form. That gives me -y is greater than or equal to -2x minus 5. Still need to get rid of that negative. So to do that, I'm just going to change all the signs by either dividing or multiplying by -1. But remember, when I divide or multiply by a negative, what happens to the inequality? Good job. The sign flips. So I have y is greater than 2x. Excuse me, less than or equal to 2x plus 5. So to graph this one, we'll do it in the pink. We're going to start at 5. 2x tells me to go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. And likewise this way. And continue that on. And we just need a nice straight solid line. And let's see, less than, so I'm going to graph over here. So my solution region for this, I'm actually going to do this one in yellow, is right in here. Any point in here is a solution. Any point in the yellow, orange, whatever color you want to call that region, is a solution to that inequality, that system, excuse me, linear inequalities. All right, so I'm going to leave you there. Again, questions